Sowieso. Nós me se bem bom
Challenge.
bom não, não é um challenge, é um acto para ajudar a comunidade. Dus, we zijn toch? Nós por ajuda de kami nos por mas que possível. Tem bom e tem malo. Tem muito malo se não sala na rand. Pero bom aqui tem bira, não se curva. We zijn toch? Waar kan dat zaken matando cigaria? Foi gente não. Quando se tira fogo, we zijn toch? Cigaria. Smoking kills. Yo, bro, do you have more? Yo, sorry, do you have more cigarettes? Yo, bro, can I get a...
Là, on est à côté
Ça les prend pour nègre qui doit mettre cigarettes sowieso.
On est à côté du pont.
Ça va. Hey, yo, thanks, bro. Thanks.
Thank you, bro.
Thank you.
We actually...
Eerste sigaretje. Satu. Dia provei cigaria, nada. Sowieso minta gana, satu. Provei cigaria wardu. En gecheckt. Promende subida salva. 2 dias extra e tem para levar. Eu não sei ainda. Pero, dank je naam.
Ik heb geen sigaret meer.
Ik ben geen andere.
Hey, ik probeer die mensen te redden, je weet toch?
Je probeert jezelf te redden.
Fuck you, bitch. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Back the fuck up. I'll knock the fuck out you. Pussy, hey.
Money. Zit op die klok, money. Wat is dat toch? No.
Even een sigaretje voor me.
You're Donnie.
Sorry?
You're Donnie.
Een wat?
Donnie.
Wat is een donnie?
Teacher.
Nee. Dankjewel, man. Fijne dag. Basta umpisa kong sigarilya. Rick no Bogano.
Yes. I think I'm gonna start doing it in like English. You already know. Yes. We're on a challenge. We're trying to get as many cigarettes as we can. We're trying to save the people. Trying to save the people. You already know. Yo, bro, do you have more? Certo. Puntre nega aqui com cigaretta na sura. Hey, thanks, man. Certo. Nega tá na cigarrillo, é sura. Nós saca 2, saca 3, nós sige bike kada saca nang. Hey, I forgot. Shit, bro. Need to speak English, nigga. Roche.
You want some Roche? You can take sip.
Do you have cigarettes? I need cigarettes.
No,
bro.
you only have Roche. I don't smoke. You take sip. You give sip.
And have you poisoned me?
No, clean it before. With your hands, clean it, everything.
Nah. I only died once.
Yeah. Let's go.
Dude!
What the fuck?
It's like, you like? No? It's like wine.
Bro, if I die, I got you on video. Shout out. No.
You're not gonna die today, bro.
So yes, as you guys know, we already saved 2 lives. We saved 2 fucking lives. So we're on the right path.
Hey, Bolo, passa para o cupcake, prendere o Big Bang Film. Pariendo também se acabou o objetivo. Ang passa para o Big Bang Film. Lembra da cena do Tim Bolo, Big Bang Film. Exato. Vou ver se não pode ter binang aqui não, para onde que extra sem suporte onde que mais. The local business.
Cigarettes? Can I have one? Do you have more? I'm doing a vlog.
Give him a cigarette.
Yeah, thank you. Bye. Shut up. Kahit ka doon, di ba? Nga nito na ako sigarilya. He plays too much, bro. He doesn't want to give me a cigarette. The lady told her, yo, just give him a cigarette. It's for your own good, nigga. You don't realize it, but you got them going. You got them going. Right now, we're trying to get as many as we can. As many as we can. We see some people with like fucking cigarettes around, but like they're already smoking it. Already smoking. Oh shit. Like literally shit. Please. Yo, bro, how much money do you have here? How much money?
Today?
Today. How much money today?
100.
100?
Yes, of course.
100.
And you have one cigarette, brother.
One cigarette, bro.
Yes, brother.
Actually, I'm taking cigarettes from people.
It's
So
for
they,
you.
for me?
Yes, I have.
You have a lot?
Yeah, black.
You already know.
Yes.
Take care of your
Take
money,
care.
bro. Yes. You know, a little some. Little some. We know he smokes a lot, so we gotta give him the cigarette. He gave us a lighter, so we good. We still good. We still good. So yes, as you guys know, this is no joke. The challenge really going on. They're losing right now. I even give some, like, one of my cigarettes away. For me?
Yes, I
Well,
have.
I mean, I'm still winning. Still winning. I'm still winning over here. So yeah, we're in Amsterdam right now. This is Amsterdam. Kawong! What do they think? Sino kiminatele ko yung kawong PD ng Mati? This is 2024. If you don't want to be on cameras, stay the fuck home. Shit, man. Shit, man. She didn't get any. She didn't get any. She didn't get any. She didn't get any. That's good. That's good. That means we're still winning. Means we're still winning. Oh, yo. Sorry. Can I get a cigarette? Yes, thank you. Yes, I got one from her. We're still winning. Still winning already. No. Let's keep it going. Let's keep it going. I'm back at 3. No cap. Still doing it though. Still winning though. Within 3 sobrang nga nandayin na though. Huh? Yes, talk. Buscando más gente with the cigarettes. More people with the cigarettes. So we can take that shit.
Mati, você não arriva bem velho.
How many cigarettes is in there? What the fuck? He got it from the ground. Nigga. Nigga. What? Like, what? I have the video too. There is nothing inside. I know. That's lame. We've seen some challenges and we're about to pull up right now. 51 seconds. Oh, sorry, do you have extra cigarette? Can I have one?
I don't know you're broken.
Oh shit, thank you. Yes, bro. And then I'm on my Paki. I got one out of the pack. Shit. The last one, this guy just give it to me. Cause I'm like that. I'm really like that. I'm trying to save these people, bro. So, as you guys have seen, I'm winning the challenge. I got 4 cigarettes total, and I ain't even gonna lie, I got a pack, nigga. I got like a pack to stash my shit. So these niggas, man, they losing. These niggas losing. Yo, Rasta, heb je nog geen sigaretje voor mij, man? Ja, toch? Deze mattie. Zeg. Dus toch. Rasta, doe dan een sigaretje hier. Nesura. Oké, je lolly, papi. Thanks, Rasta. Je weet toch? Rasta, doe dan een sigaretje, Nesura. Sigarette week pequenos mês. Pero vamos a com uma cigarette. Yes. Rasta, sorry. Sorry para Rasta su cara. Pero no está yan, no está de Rasta.
No, non lo conta.
Sì. Non so di Rasta, usato? Rasta, tu non usi un co' pegaka, basta il mane kleina. He gave us that shit like, he light it up, bro. He lit that shit up. Nah. We ain't about to smoke that. Ain't about to smoke that. Count it as a half. You already know we count it as a half. So that's what we on right now. That's really what we on right now. This nigga is, look at him. Lacking, look at them. Nah. You guys lacking.
Eigenlijk met die doos sigaret.
You guys lacking, for real, nigga. Nah, they lacking. So I got like, I don't know. I got a lot though. Look, nigga, I ain't even gonna lie, but here's a little bit loud. Oh shit, let me ask this guy for a cigarette real quick. Yo, bro, can I get a cigarette? I'm doing a vlog, that's why, sorry.
Michael, bienvenue à Amsterdam.
Yo, thanks, bro.
Welcome to Amsterdam.
Amsterdam, Triple X, you already know. Thanks, bro. Set off. Yeah, then I'm a cigarilla. So we're still winning. What's up, bro? Nigga looking at me, bike almost hit me. What the fuck? Bitches looking at me. That's what you get for looking at bitches all the time. For real, for real. Okay, let's keep this shit going. I got another one. So right now, I'm blowing them off. I saw some people with cigarettes, you feel me? But I didn't go to them. I'm lacking, no cap, I'm lacking. No shit. They're already saying they don't have battery. We can't keep doing we can't keep going on with the challenge because we don't have battery, blah, 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 blah. Oh, yo. Sorry. Can I get a cigarette? Yeah. Thanks, bro. Yeah. Set, bro. Kaya berat na namun sigarilya, may sora. Nasa tiyan, largo simbay kong sigaret. Dus, nesta niya uno, and nandito yung guy mo. There was another guy with a cigarette. But he saw me taking from the other nigga. Can't do much about that. So now, he's crying. 2%. 2%. I can't do anything. Nah. Still trying to fill up the pack. We're getting there. Hey, kung sigarilya yung doon paki? 60, 20.
Let me. Hi, sorry, excuse me. Do you guys have a cigarette by any chance?
No, sorry.
No cigarettes?
No.
Really?
It's my last one.
Can I have it?
No.
Can I have it?
No.
Okay.
It's my last one.
Okay, it's alright.
I'm addicted.
It's okay. Coño su mama.
Sorry. Do you have an extra cigarette? I'm sorry, I'm doing a vlog. Oh, thank you. I just saved you 2 days of life.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Yes, I got another one. This nigga really gave me his cigarette. So, he's still winning. He was about to smoke it, but I saved him. I saved him like an extra 2 days.
Hi, sorry, excuse me. Do you guys have a cigarette by chance? No cigarettes. Okay, no good. Alright, thank you. Wait, you do have
Cigarette.
no cigarettes.
No, we don't.
Oh, you guys break my heart. Okay, you guys have a good one. Coño na mama!
Sorry. Do you have an extra cigarette? No, thanks. Yeah, no. Nega di kami no. Makere di doon namun sigarilya pa look cool dilante e peiki basta to. Can I have a cigarette?
You want a cigarette?
Yes.
Yeah.
Can I have one?
You ask it so nicely.
Everybody
Because
can
if you
get.
want to roll a joint, it's not nice.
Okay, thank you. Don't roll a joint with it. Don't go and roll a joint with it. Just it's for smoking. But you already know what's going in the stash. Gonna open up the stash. Look what we're looking like. That's what we're looking like. That's what we're looking like. Oh, sorry. Bakit ang sigaretso? Ako me. I'm taking it, yeah. Yes. I'm doing a vlog also. Thank you. Yes. Got another one. Thank you. Be careful. Be careful? That's what people say? That's what people say around here? Be careful. Oh, sorry. Can I get a cigarette?
Yeah.
Yes? Oh, shit. Oh. Thank you. Yes. Bye. I got some cigarettes from them. It's a vlog. I'm doing a vlog. Yeah, bye. No! See?
Ata, no, mãe, essa cigarilha acaba.
Sorry, do you have an extra cigarette? This nigga said no. Ay, banda ka mo. Hindi ka puntre ba rin? Kahit naman yung konversasyong kasali, hot. Yes, hot na konversasi. Entonces, vai Jaya, no estoy salir kami na grande, by links, llega central. Corta vai, pá. Agungun chaco costa ali Brasil, gosta to?
What?
I don't want to make a bigger issue out of it, but I'm sure it's plenty.
Oh, dia com mi vlog, yes! Kaya que passa dali mi umbia mas na dali, opi duro. Ana passa dali mi mes. Nee, banden ng gangster.
Whoa, calm down, Jamal. Don't pull out the 9.
YouTube, volg hem. Volg deze guy. Abonneer.
Hij is een kankersoldaat.
Peace.
Instagram,
Instagram, alles.
Instagram, TikTok.
Je weet toch?
Je kent deze guy wel. Hij is de soldaat van de straat.